Year 3, I explode. Ah! I hope you are doing well. Wah! Hi, Kinon! Hello, hello, hello. Alright, let's see. Hey, what the heck? Focus. Thank you for the bit. I haven't even done anything yet. I'm still trying to figure stuff out. I appreciate it. This is gonna be the tough part because I do kind of want to redesign Irishard's hair a little bit. I think her hair might get a little bit of an update, but I'll try and keep it relatively close to how it was before. But I do like the overall vibe of her old hair. I just want to kind of update it. So we are going to see how that turns out. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's having a cozy after holiday wind down kind of deal. I'm not sure what to call it. The after holidays, But I hope everyone is comfy cozy. Or as cozy as we can be. Okay, let's see. I'm not actually sure how to draw parasols, so I am entirely making this up. I'm trying to take notes from the last time I drew her little umbrella thing here. But if I'm being honest, most of my art, I just kind of make it up. I might have loose references and stuff like that, just kind of help guide me along, but for the most part, most of the designs are just not really professionally thought out. I kind of just play stuff until I think it looks kind of cool. So that's where that's kind of where we're at. Hi, Vanilla! I am doing well, thank you.